Welcome to CSS Day 6. Today we're learning position CSS properties. At the end of this lesson, we'll be able to know how you can use position like relative, making this navigation bar, and also use like absolute position or property, making all these box in wherever you want them to be. As you can see, I use them here, and also sticky or fixed, like now where this button or chat button is fixed, that just here in the corner. So this is the project you are going to learn at the end. I just want to let you know that position CSS property said how an element is positioned in a document. Let's see. We're going to use this here, this output of these 4 boxes. This is the one we have here on HTML. We have 4 CSS divs, which have also classes of box and IDs of 1, 2, 3, 4. When we jump on CSS style, we have here, I have just set this page as border box and target the classes of these 4 divs as to be blue here. Yeah, you can see. Then to display inline, that's it. Display inline box. Then use the color of light blue, width and height 100 pixels, and height 100 pixels, and these words in center. So we am using now this box 2, where you see it has ID also 2. Now here it is here. Now we want to change its background so that you can be able to see how this positioned property work with the value of static, relative, absolute, and others work. Just want to give it this light salmon color, which should look like orange bit. Then just want to start using this position of static. The static actually stays as it is, just in the line, in the queue, doesn't change anything. But if we jump on position relative, and we give it top of 40 pixels, you can see that it has left the space on the top. Then we go to left. We also give it 40 pixels. You can see that also has left here the space of left, then just come top of this 30 box. Then let's just change to also absolute to see how it works. Yes, absolute. You can also see that this box, it has moved. It has also moved on the top, then it on top of others. So this means what? This means that it does not keep its origin space. Normally, this absolute positioning element is removed from normal document. It means it does not keep its original also space. We moved to another one, which is stick here. Just one use here sticky of sorry. I just want to use top of sorry. 20 pixels. Then we say sticky. Oh, this is static. Sorry, it is sticky. Oh, why? Why this is disturbing? Yes. The sticky, it stays in the same place when you try to move or to scroll for it. It the way it does, it stays there. Means it doesn't just allow to move anyhow. It sticks there. The stick element behaves like a relative until the scroll point is reached. Then it becomes fixed. Sticks while even scrolling. So that's why here you can even give it a 0, but you can see it is sticks. When we shall also see more, or the way we can also use on this project, how you can see this one, or you can also see others. Then the last one is fixed. The element fixed stays also in the same place even when the page scrolls. Let's use fixed is here, and I just want to give it top of let me just change this to bottom of 20. Then I place it on right, also of 20 pixels. You can see it here. When I try to move this, to scroll this, just move together. So another thing on the fixed, actually always is visible while scrolling, and also be removed from the normal flow. That's it. And now we can jump to last project, which is this one, but it is now this one we are going to make. I've just made its style here, which I'm gonna try to explain how I did this. And if just forget that it's this one. Yep. Yes. How I'm gonna do this? Sorry. This week I have used the font family. As you can see, I just want to explain the CSS I used here before, because you can just jump in or skip this and max width of this so that this it can just be in the middle. You can see when you scroll the side for it kept in the middle or in the center, and also is margin for 0 up, then auto on left and right. Then here we have this, which is this parent. You can see the parent here. It is the one here we have used for this color, which looks somehow to purple, to gray, like gray. And we have also used the width of this. Let's start how to we can also use position CSS. How we can make this? We want to make this parent. Let's just start it from navigation bar. The navigation bar is here. It has class of navbar. Navbar. I just want the what is it? Navbar. Yep. Let me just I place it here. Navbar. I want just to, since it's a class, navbar, I hope I hope I've just not made mistake on this number here, because sometimes I make mistakes. Yeah, it's that one. And I want to give it a background color. A background color of 333. It is black, of course. And just want to give a width of 500 pixels, and position. I want to use sticky so that it stays around, doesn't move anywhere. And just top of 0, then padding. Just want to give a padding of 20 pixels to what else? Yeah, color of white. That's it. Then I just want to target this tag. Tag. I just say dot. Still nav bar. A tag. Open this. Then I also make them be color of white. And I just want to remove this underlined text. It's text decoration of none. Oh, sorry, none here. Yeah. Then I also want to use position. CSS position. I just want to make it relative. But this relative, as you can see, that we combine with other CSS property, you are using left property with the value of 20 pixels, so that they can move from here to this side. And we also add some margin just in between here, margin of 20, let's say 0 from top and bottom, then 10 left and right. That's how you can see that now it has at the space and it looks good. And you can see the CSS position property we have used here. It is relative. Up here it's sticky. This helps us also to make our element the way we want them to be. Let's just add this nav bar. Just to hover. This is only just designing. And what is hover? We want to hover this when you move cursor over, just change text decoration. It is going to be underline. And I just give it a color of light, light green. Yes, so that we move over like these changes. Let's just move to the parent again, since it is here. It is the next. The next is going to be the parent. When you're going to also use CSS position, it has to be relative. This parent, yes, and relative. Then the children, the child one, which is this one. Now we're going to use these classes to child one to the center, now to be able to centralize and to make all of this box say right, down or bottom using the CSS position. We're going to give it width of 100 pixels, 8, also 100 pixels, and background of just red is there. And now I'm going to use CSS position again for absolute, and left, let's use just 20 pixels, and also top of 20 pixels, and text, I just want to centralize these words inside, just the center, and line head just in the middle. Also, let's give it 100 pixels too, and display inline, yep, in any block. So I just want to copy this to use our time, and this is gonna be orange, and I just also leave it as absolute, then left, so 20, bottom, we're going to change only bottom 20, you can see, then we just leave others as they are. Then we come on this one, that is child center. Child center, you just want to use border radius of 50%. Then also position has to be absolute. Right, we change this to be right of 40. Then bottom, change this to bottom has also to be 100. Yes. Then yep, is color is, yes, color is now white, background white, position absolute, right 40, sorry, 40 pixels, then the bottom of 100 here, and we can also, oh, what is this? Yep. What if we make, let's say 25, or not 20, no, no, let's just do, yeah, let's just make it 40, and this should be 100, yes, percent, 40%. That's it, 40%. You can see now it is centralized. Then I also move to this. This is child 3. It has to just be yellow, and it is also absolute, and right, and the button right of 20, you can see. Then bottom bottom of also sorry is it bottom man or 20 2 yep, right bottom center this, yep. Then this one is gonna be green. Yes, this green. Then also have to be absolute, right? And yep, this is the top. That's right. That's it. Yep. Then let's move to. I also have this chart has to also to be down here so that it can also work or place down as you always go to visit website and find it down there using position of this position has to be fixed then bottom of 20 pixels, then right of also 20 pixels up 20 pixels. You can see that it has already reached down here. And what else? Background. I just want to be background of blue. It is blue. After blue, I want to give it a color of white. And the border has to be none. Padding of 15 pixels. 15 pixels and top and bottom and 20 and the border radius of just a fifth pixels. Yep, that's it. That's it, guys. What we hear, this is our project. You can see that it can work very well now. It is now okay. It's now nice. What do we have learned? We have learned what is position properties. We have learned relative. We also covered absolute position, fixed position, and the sticky. So this is fixed. You can see it is fixed. You can also see these are also absolute. You can see in CSS. And we have also used navbar as sticky, means we have used all position CSS properties. So guys, thank you very much. That's it. See you next. Please subscribe. See you for next one.